Hello. Good morning. I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. We are just walking. We're giving him his fun time. But I'm gonna grab an Uber and head to the ceramic class and then get back and get some things done in the house. Estoy en clase de cerámica.
Look at this. It's warm. It's too warm.
Órale.
I just opened the fuel now.
Órale. Pues, sí. Rompió. How is it? Ooh. It doesn't stay. Well, it's kind of wobbly. So. So I don't want to.
In the shrinkage of the piece, this goes a little bit this side, but you will send it.
In this state?
Yes.
Wow. You just move it like.
Yeah.
No.
It's good enough. You can move it. It's rigid now.
But it's folding up.
It's.
Folding up.
That's why we put this espejuela to absorb that movement of. It's perfect. You will put a coil inside, like glue, and then with the sponge you will disappear the texture and these cracks. After that, we will turn it over and put the espejuela. But first,
So even though this is for the oven, we still do espejuelo?
Yes.
Really? Okay.
Yes. Espejuelo is always.
Because I was looking for a sample, but they're normally in square form, and the bottom is smooth.
Yes.
I'm done making 2 coils. Hopefully it's enough to fit in the inside of this here. I need to get rid of these lines, and I'm going to be using the sponge. I started already here, so it should be smooth like this or as smooth as possible. Just take it. But when I came here, I am home. I'm just done cleaning the kitchen. and the living room. I have some artwork that I'm gonna take to my lady in the neighborhood for her to put them in frames or help me choose frames. And let's see how that goes. It's a beautiful day to be outside. It's sun and shining. It's sunshine, sun and shiny. It's a beautiful day. Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
¿Cómo estás?
Bien.
Muy bien.
Milagro.
¡Qué milagro!
¿Foto? ¿Por qué foto?
Lindas también. Sí, sí.
¿Cómo va su decoración?
No sé. ¿Qué recomiendas?
Negro ancho.
Ok. Y dime el costo también al final para todos. Tengo otro. Ah, sí. So I'm at a restaurant after seeing Senora Cordova, and someone has joined me. Lunch, dinner was deliciously amazing. What's the name of that restaurant we just went to? Me neither. Ooh, those are open now. They were closed during the pandemic, so we can come back, eh? Check them out. Everything is open now. I'm walking on sunshine. The sun is shining. We had came back home. What should have been a siesta turns out to be would you call what I took a siesta? I took an entire sleep. And now I am taking Hindi and Zoila, Los Chiquitinas.
Nap.
I took a full nap, not a quick nap.
Not a power.
Not a power nap, indeed it wasn't. I'm taking these two out.
3.
These three. 1, 2, 3. For a walk. So I'm gonna end the video today by saying stay positive, think on possibilities, and see you in the next video.